Hi, it's Eamon at EDS. I'm at the Hagiwara stand,
Yeah.
Solutions stand, and I can see you're all about memory, but something that's very interesting that I've seen here is embedded SD memory. So,
Yeah.
Wang, can you tell us a bit about the embedded SD solution?
Yes, of course. So like about ESD, like people usually use some like eMMC chip, like in their maybe like cell phone or tablet
Hmm.
recently. So like eMMC is very cheap and easy to use, but actually like compared with ESD, eMMC is not that stable, especially for the interface. Because it just we just insert it and there will be some like vibration and
Okay.
also like electronic interference. There will be like the device maybe cannot read the eMMC, and like for the cell phone or the tablet, the tablet, if the storage cannot be read, that would be a big
Yeah,
trouble.
that's a disaster.
Yeah, yeah. So like for the ESD, it is just assembled on the board.
Mhm.
So like our interface is very very stable. So like about vibration, we are good at it, and about the electronic interference, we also good at it.
Cool.
And compare with the eMMC, because the interface is different. So like for some older device, they do not really have the interface of eMMC. So like if you use ESD, you do not need to do anything to your board. You just keep it and just you see adapt everything, right? So the speed and also the cost of to change your board will be saved.
Excellent.
Yeah,
So, in terms of applications, you've mentioned mobile devices,
yeah,
tablets.
yeah,
Um, Obviously, SD is that's a very, very broad thing. But
yeah.
if what other type of applications do your customers use them in?
Yeah, actually, for example, like our customer they always do like FA factory automation.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
the SD card will be used to as additional storage for them. So like yeah, especially for some like a robot device
Mhm.
and some controller and yeah, like people like our customer are they are willing to use the SD because it's removable and also very reliable because it's been a long time. Yeah, people use SD card. So like for our ESD, especially for the robot industry, because robot is always moving it, so the vibration will be a very very big problem for them.
Yeah.
So the ESD, just a best solution for them. Yeah.
Cool. So obviously most people will be used to plugging an SD card in
Yes.
and out. Is there an evaluation board or something that you use to kind of test ESD?
You can see here just a demo here,
Okay.
and yeah, we have a base on the board to insert our ESD, and you can see it's very stable, and also this is not that big, you see.
Hmm.
So like yeah, everything just goes well here. Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, it's the second day of EDS. How have you found the show?
Yeah, of course. We are very excited here, and because it's our first time being UK and also the first time being in EDS, so everything was new to us, and yeah, because we are a Japanese company, and yeah, the culture in UK, like
Hmm.
to our customers and people here are really nice. So
Oh, good.
very very nice to talk with you, and yeah, I hope we can start some new business here.
Cool.
Yeah,
Thank you very much, Wang.
yeah. Thank you very
Hajime
much.
mashite.
Yeah.
So, Hagiwara Solutions at EDS. Really great of them to come all the way from Japan to come to this show, and I really hope it was a great one for them. Embedded SD memory. I've done a lot of searching for that, and I've found one Adafruit board that apparently has embedded SD memory or embedded SD-like memory. So I think this is a really disruptive solution, and especially if you're doing something in robotics, this would be great. I mean, your robot might be doing something that's pretty kind of hardcore, going to be getting hit a lot, like the robotic dogs from like Boston Dynamics and stuff like that. And if you've got an SD card, that might be just dislodged by a big hit. But if it's embedded SD, soldered directly to the board, then it's going to be so much more secure. So I've done a full technical write-up. There's so much that was not mentioned in the interview. So check it out and apply to evaluate embedded SD memory on IP Exchange. And as I said before, lovely fans from Hagiwara.
Hey, yo, where my engineers at?